Hello everyone, here's my Empire number 62 with a black perch and a black little hut. I've been wanting one of these with this paint scheme. This little guy is in really good shape, though I did have to recreate its heater because his heater was corroded and had broken apart. Fairly good shape all around, no dents. The nickel is in really good shape, and she runs quite well. As you can see, I don't have it plugged up. I just kind of let it warm up and make some steam for me. This is bi-directional, goes both directions. I did have to replace the seals, and I actually went ahead and replaced the sight glass because once I cleaned out all the goop out of it, it didn't really look very clean, so I went ahead and replaced it. Go ahead and plug her back up. Whistle's in real good shape. Came with all of its bits, nothing missing. Pretty amazing how well the nickel is in good shape. She'll really run fast. Even the nickel on the pistons are in really good shape. So I suspect they just used some poor water, and water got inside because it was one side of the heater, because it has two cores. I went ahead and replaced both of the cores. But one side, was really corroded, and you can see the maybe the streaming of the water that they had used before. It's kind of stained the nickel. All right. There you go. She's still running. All right. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed my new Empire number 62 with the black paint scheme. Alright, see you next time.